The Kyocera Quick Scan utility allows you to quickly and easily scan a document, to send it to a folder on your computer, send it to an email address, or to save the document as a PDF file. To use the Quick Scan utility, open the Kyocera Quick Scan utility icon. The Kyocera Quick Scan utility opens. On this screen, you can choose from 3 possible scan destinations. Scan to PDF, which creates a PDF file which can be opened immediately on your computer. Scan to folder, which sends the scanned image to a specific folder on your computer. And scan to email, which attaches the scanned image to a blank email form. In this video, we will show you how to scan a document into a folder. Select Scan to Folder under the Scan Profiles. Click on Browse and select a folder to send the scanned document. Below in the scan location, select Open File Location and then press Start Scan. Upon completion, your selected folder will open. Double-click on the most recently created PDF to inspect the scan. You now know how to scan to a folder using your Kyocera printer.